how to change follow button to add friend button on your Facebook profile. Hey guys, welcome back to this YouTube channel. Today I will show you that how can you change follow to add friend button on your Facebook profile. So let's get started. On this process, at first you'll have to open Facebook app with your account. Alright, so now from here tap on your profile icon, just at the top left corner. Alright, so now from here I will show you that I'm getting the options like follow. So for that you'll have to just tap on three line, and now from here in view as, you can see that follow button is activated on my profile. So now to turn off this, you'll have to just back from here, and now from here you'll have to tap on this three dot just at the right hand section of that advertise option. So simply tap on this three dot. So now from the profile setting, you'll have to turn off your professional mode. So from here, you'll have to go with the option turn professional mode up. So simply tap on it. Now from here, tap on continue. Okay, turn off. Alright, tap on close. Alright, so now from here, I have successfully turned off the professional mode on my Facebook profile. So now on this view as option, I will be getting the options like add friends. So this is the easiest and simplest method to change your follow button to add friend button on your Facebook profile. Hope this video was helpful to you, and please don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel for more quick and short tutorial like this. Thank you for watching this video. Have a nice day.